Hey guys, we're going to make a quick little hot pad for the kitchen. I have a big pizza stone and I need something large like this instead of one of the little, small trivets. So we're going to be using some more of these napkins. I'm going to sew all four sides, but I'm going to leave just a small opening to turn it. I'm going to be using this. I had some scraps left over, so I just zigzag them together instead of wasting them. So just an FYI there that you can do that if you don't have a zigzag on your machine, but I think probably everyone does. You could even take a needle and thread and just do a very loose stitch. I've done that before too. But what we're going to need, this is specifically for hot pads, oven mitts, things like that. So we're going to need one of the silver facing both sides of the fabric. And then I want this in the center of them. Like this. So we're going to turn this. And then we're going to just poke these right inside. Okay, so now we can just slide these in. I may wish that I had made the hole even bigger. Now, of course, you can do it just like a traditional quilt where you have to put a binding on it, but I decided not to do that. We're going to do it this way instead. Making sure everything's in the corner where it should be. Then as you can see here, we have the silver side, which is going to deflect that heat back up to what's sitting on it. And because there's no front and back to this, I have the second piece on the bottom here with just regular batting in the center. Okay, and still need to just move it a little bit this way. And I'm going to go ahead and just put this back under the machine and close up the hole. Okay, so what I've done here, and you can mark lines if that, is easier for you. But what I did was, these are such small squares, I was just trying to go corner to corner to corner to corner. And then I left 3 in the middle, just to give myself somewhat of a pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and do a few lines the opposite way, and then we will be done. That will be it. Okay, so just as quick and simple as that, I now have the perfect pad for my pizza pan or cookie sheets or anything like that the average trivet just doesn't work for. Have a great day, guys.